Let's talk about Aura Blush, the makeup trend that's turning cheeks into glowing, colorful canvases in 2025. This trend is not just about adding a touch of color to your face, it's about transforming your entire look and mood with a few strokes of a brush. Aura Blush is redefining how we think about makeup, making it more than just a beauty routine, but a form of self-expression. Imagine painting a radiant sunset on your face, blending 2 or 3 shades for a soft, luminous halo. The idea is to create a gradient effect that mimics the natural glow of a sunset, making your cheeks look like they're kissed by the sun. This technique not only adds depth to your face, but also brings out your natural features in a subtle yet striking way. Aura Blush is about expressing your mood, sunny, dreamy, or bold, right on your cheeks. Each color and blend tells a story, reflecting how you feel on the inside. Whether you're feeling playful, romantic, or adventurous, there's a blush combination that can capture your essence perfectly. It's like a mood ring, but with makeup, and it's breaking all the old beauty rules. Gone are the days of sticking to one shade or following strict guidelines. Aura Blush encourages you to experiment and have fun with your look. It's about breaking free from the conventional and embracing the unconventional. No more single-color blush. Now it's about gradients and creativity. You can mix and match different shades to create a unique look that is entirely your own. The possibilities are endless, and the only limit is your imagination. The look is radiant, with colors melting into each other for a unique personal glow. This seamless blend of colors creates a natural yet eye-catching effect that is sure to turn heads. It's all about achieving that perfect balance between bold and beautiful. One day it's pink and lilac, the next it's orange and yellow, whatever matches your vibe. The beauty of Aura Blush is its versatility. You can change your look as often as you change your mood, making it a dynamic addition to your makeup routine. It's not about perfection, but about celebrating your individuality. Each application is a chance to showcase your unique style and personality. Embrace the asymmetry and imperfections. They make your look truly one of a kind. This trend is a playful rebellion against boring makeup, inviting everyone to experiment. It's a call to action for makeup enthusiasts to step out of their comfort zones and try something new and exciting. The goal? See your own energy reflected in a swirl of color. Each swirl and pattern is a reflection of your inner energy and spirit, making your makeup a true extension of yourself. Anyone can do it, no experience needed. Whether you're a makeup novice or a seasoned pro, Aura Blush is accessible to everyone. It's all about having fun and expressing yourself. Aura Blush is your face's ticket to a colorful, expressive adventure. So why not give it a try and see where your creativity takes you? The world of Aura Blush is waiting for you to explore. Aura Blush didn't appear overnight. It's the latest stop on a colorful journey. It began with Aura Eyeshadow in 2022, blending bold shades for a misty, expressive look. Then came Aura Nails, soft gradients and orbs of color on fingertips, seen everywhere from celebrities to social feeds. By 2025, the trend landed on our cheeks, evolving into Aura Blush. Now blush sweeps from cheeks to temples, sometimes across the nose, creating a radiant, unified look. Each step, eyes, nails, face, has been about playful self-expression. The message: be bold, blend colors, and let your personality shine. Online searches for colorful makeup have exploded, proving we're all ready for this vibrant trend. Aura Blush is the glowing finale of a creative beauty evolution. It's your turn to join the party. Before the color, prep your skin for a flawless Aura Blush. Start with clean, moisturized skin for a smooth, hydrated base. Apply primer to blur lines and help your blush last all day. Choose a light, dewy foundation or tinted moisturizer. Let your natural skin shine through. The Aura look is about radiance, not heavy coverage. Even out your skin tone, but keep it fresh and glowing. Think of this as setting the stage for your masterpiece. A healthy, hydrated canvas makes colors pop and blend beautifully. Quick recap: cleanse, moisturize, prime, and use a light base. These steps ensure your blush glows, not cakes. Take a few extra minutes here. Your future self will thank you. Now your face is ready for color magic. Now for the fun part, choosing your Aura Blush colors. This is where you get to express yourself and let your personality shine through every shade you pick. Think of your blush collection as a painter's palette, ready for you to create your own masterpiece each day. There are no rules, just your mood and imagination. Whether you're feeling bold, playful, or serene, your choices are limitless. Let your instincts guide you, and don't be afraid to reach for something unexpected. Feeling cheerful? Try sunny yellow and peachy orange for a burst of joy. These shades can instantly brighten your complexion and your mood, making you feel like you're carrying a little bit of sunshine with you wherever you go. Dreamy or calm? Go for baby pinks, lilacs, or sky blues for a soft, ethereal vibe. These gentle hues can create a sense of tranquility and whimsy, perfect for days when you want to feel light and airy. Want to feel powerful? Deep reds, fuchsias, or electric blues make a bold statement. These colors are perfect for when you want to stand out, command attention, or simply feel unstoppable. Your colors can reflect your energy, confidence, or creativity. Each day is a new opportunity to express a different side of yourself, and your blush can be your secret superpower. Mix 2 or 3 shades, maybe pink for love, yellow for joy, orange for creativity. Layering and blending can create a look that's uniquely yours, telling a story with every brushstroke. Let your face become a mood board that changes daily. Some days you might want a subtle wash of color, while other days you'll crave a vibrant, artistic splash. Listen to your heart and pick what excites you. The best looks come from following your intuition and embracing what feels right in the moment. Don't be afraid to experiment. This is your personal rainbow. Try new combinations, blend shades you've never paired before, and see what magic you can create. Dig through your makeup and see what calls to you. Sometimes the most surprising colors become your new favorites, and every day is a chance to discover something fresh. Your aura, your rules, shine however you like. Remember, makeup is about self-expression and joy, so let your colors tell your story and wear your rainbow with pride. Time to create that signature aura blush halo. This technique will give you a radiant, multi-dimensional look that appears both natural and effortlessly beautiful. Let's dive into the steps to achieve this stunning effect. Use a fluffy brush and start with your lightest color on the apple of your cheek. This is the area that naturally catches the light, so it's the perfect spot to begin. Gently dab the brush onto the blush and apply it in soft, circular motions. Tap off excess, then swirl the color onto your cheeks for a glowing center. This step is crucial to avoid any harsh lines and to ensure a smooth, even application. The swirling motion helps to blend the blush seamlessly into your skin. Next, add your second, deeper shade around the first, blending outwards and upwards in a C shape toward your temples. This creates depth and dimension, giving your face a more sculpted look. The C-shape technique helps to lift your features and adds a natural contour. The secret is seamless blending, no harsh lines, just a soft gradient. Take your time with this step, as it's the key to achieving that professional, airbrushed finish. Use gentle, sweeping motions to blend the colors together. Use a clean brush to swirl where the colors meet, melting them together. This helps to create a unified look, ensuring that the transition between shades is smooth and natural. The clean brush will pick up any excess product and help to diffuse the colors. Be patient. Good blending is worth the effort. It might take a few extra minutes, but the result is a flawless, glowing complexion that looks like it was done by a professional makeup artist. Remember, practice makes perfect. For a sun-kissed finish, sweep a bit of blush across the bridge of your nose. This mimics the natural flush you get from being out in the sun and ties the whole look together. It's a small step that makes a big difference. This ties the look together and adds a natural flush. The goal is to create a cohesive, harmonious look that enhances your natural beauty. Smile and see how the blush brings warmth and life to your face. Your goal, a radiant, multi-dimensional aura that looks effortless. With these steps, you can achieve a look that is both sophisticated and natural. The key is in the blending and the careful application of each layer of blush. Bright center, blended halo, a touch on the nose. Done. You've mastered the art of the aura blush halo. Take a moment to admire your work and enjoy the radiant glow you've created. You've just crafted your own glowing masterpiece. Let your aura shine. Remember, makeup is an art, and you've just painted a beautiful picture on the canvas of your face. Enjoy your radiant, multi-dimensional look and wear it with confidence. Now, let's add some magic. Highlighter. Dab highlighter on the tops of your cheekbones, bridge of your nose, brow bone, and Cupid's bow. Choose a shade that complements your blush. Golden for warm tones, pearly for cool. Use a soft brush or your fingertips for a natural, luminous finish. Start light and build up for a believable glow. The goal is a sophisticated sheen, not a disco ball, unless that's your style. Highlighter brings dimension and ties your whole look together. When the light hits, your aura will truly glow. The finishing touch for your radiant masterpiece. Let your cheeks lead, but keep eyes and lips in harmony. For eyes, sweep a single shadow, maybe one from your blush palette, for a cohesive look. Add a touch of shimmer to the inner corners to brighten your gaze. Finish with mascara for definition. For lips, keep it soft and glossy. Match your blush or go clear for a fresh finish. A lip tint or a dab of cream blush works for a coordinated pout. The aim is balance. Let your cheeks shine while eyes and lips complement. All elements should feel connected, like a happy, colourful family. Your aura blush remains the star. You don't need fancy tools, just a few essentials. A soft, fluffy blush brush is key for blending. 2 brushes make blending multiple colors easier, but one will do. A makeup sponge can help melt cream or liquid blush into your skin. Affordable brands offer great blushes, no need to splurge. Look for finely milled or buttery formulas for easy blending. A setting spray locks in your look and adds a dewy finish. These simple tools help you create a seamless, glowing aura. You're ready to be your own aura blush artist. That's the world of aura blush. Your face, your rules. It's about play, creativity, and showing your energy in color. There's no right or wrong, just your unique expression. Use makeup as your creative tool, not a mask. Let your aura change with your mood. Fiery one day, soft the next. Confidence comes from expressing yourself authentically. So grab your colors, paint your aura, and wear it with pride. Share your magic with the world, because your vibe is truly special.